Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making chicken Parmesan Alfredo. Now this dish is one of my husband's favorite. I hope you guys try this out. It's so delicious and so flavorful. Now let's get into the video.
What you see when you look at me? Never mind that. Royalty smoking purple trees. I'm feeling righteous. And fuck how you feel about it. If I'm gonna be real about it, I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga.
To our chicken breast, we're gonna slice our chicken breast into 2 pieces. On to coating our chicken, we're going to dip our chicken breast into the flour and then the eggs, and then we're going to dip it into the breadcrumb and Parmesan cheese. We're going to heat up some olive oil. We're going to cook our chicken Parmesan on both sides until it's a golden crispy brown, and then we're going to place it in the oven for about 7 minutes at 350 degrees.
Feeling righteous, and fuck how you feel about it. If I'm gonna be real about it, I'm that nigga.
Once our chicken is out of the oven, we're going to add some pasta sauce, and then we're going to add some mozzarella cheese, and then we're going to place it back into the oven for about 2 to 3 minutes until our mozzarella is melted. So we're going to heat up some store-bought Alfredo sauce. If you guys want to see a video on homemade Alfredo sauce, comment down below and I'll get that video to you guys soon. So what we're going to do, we're going to add in some garlic salt, garlic powder, and pepper. Then we're going to add in our cooked pasta, and we're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I hope you guys try out this recipe. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button, also hit that thumbs up. It will help me a lot in my channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye.
What you see when you look at me?